going to create this makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, so keep on watching. So guys, I have already prepped up my skin using a moisturizer, and now in today's makeup, the first step which we are going to do is to start with the eye makeup. So let's get started. And for the eye makeup, first I will be concealing and priming my lids with the help of a concealer. And for the concealer, the thing which I'm going to use is this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. So I will be priming my lids with the help of concealer. So I have applied the concealer, and now with the help of a beauty blender, I will be blending the concealer. So I have blended the concealer, and now we will be picking the colors which we are going to use. And for the colors, I'm going to use this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. This palette has 63 shades. So this palette looks like this, and the color which I am going to choose is these two yellow, this red, and I will apply this orange shade in the middle of my lid. So let's start. Taking this blending brush, I will be taking the yellow color first, and now I will be applying this color right here. Now I will be using the red color. So I've taken the red color, tapping the excess off. And now we will be blending the color together. And now we will be taking the orange shade on the tip of my finger, and now I will be just applying it right in the middle of my eye. I will be doing the same thing with the other eye. So taking the yellow shade, applying it to the inner side of the eye. So आपको ये जो yellow color है वो half lid तक ही ले जाना है, पूरा cover नहीं करना है. So yellow is done, and now we will take the red shade, tapping off the excess. And now we will be taking the orange shade and apply with the finger in the middle of the lid. So can you see the eye? So this is how it is looking now. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 125 Nude Beige. So I'm going to take this with the help of the foundation brush. I'm going to take it and just... And now with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'll be blending the foundation. So guys, I have applied the foundation, and now I will be concealing my dark circles. For the concealer, I'm going to use the same concealer. Now I will be blending the concealer. So I have used the concealer, and now to set my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Light. So now with the help of a brush, I am going to powder my face, and for the brush I'm going to use this pointed brush. Now I have set my face with the help of a powder. Now the next thing which I'm going to use is this LA color palette in the shade Peaches and Cream. And I'm going to use this pink shade with the help of the blush brush, and I'm going to take this shade, tap the axis off and just smile and apply the blush. So I have applied the blush, and now I will be applying highlighter, and for the highlighter I'm going to take this highlighter brush. You can also use fan brush or your fingers. I'm going to take this shade from this palette. So I have applied the highlighter also, and now I am going to curl my lashes using eyelash curler, and I'm using this eyelash curler. I bought it from Miniso. So I will be curling my lashes now, and I'm curling my lashes for the first time. So I have curled my lashes, and now I will apply mascara. And now for the mascara, I am going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. I've applied the mascara. So now I will be using this Brow Creator palette from Miniso. This palette has 3 shades. I'll be taking the middle one. So it came with this tiny little brush which has angular brush one side, and the other side it has spoolie. So I will be fill my brows. I'm not going to overdraw my eyebrows. I will just fill the spaces between my brows. So I'm done with the brows also. With the help of highlighter, I am going to fill the inner corners of my eyes. So for that, I am going to use this flat. So I'm going to use this flat brush, and I will be taking the same highlighter I applied on my cheekbones. So I have taken a little amount of this, and I will also apply the highlighter on my brow bone. Now I will set my face with the help of a setting spray, and for the setting spray I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer which has aloe vera and vitamin E from Swiss Beauty. So I'm gonna just अब हम इसे सेट होने देंगे और तब तक हम लिपस्टिक लगाएंगे. For the lipstick I am going to use this Nykaa Matte So Creamy lipstick in the shade Let It Snooze. So makeup is done. So I used 3 shades, yellow, orange and red to do this eyes, and I really like this look. And if you like this look, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press the bell notification so whenever I'll post a video you will get notified. Till then, see ya, bye.